Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is the conventional treatment? So, you have to understand conventional treatment in the sense when you find the symptoms of varicose veins, you go to a doctor who is nearby or to a vascular surgeon or any corporate hospital. The treatment given by them is conventional treatment. In initial stages, so when there are only mild symptoms like you just see veins on your legs when you are standing, so at that time when you go to them they will say that it doesn't have medication. Yes, allopathy doesn't have any medication to treat it. Once you develop the symptoms, only they can treat the symptoms. So homeopathy, this condition can be completely reversed and you will not be landing into complications and where you have to undergo surgery. Surgery is the only option they have. So there are two types of surgery. Whatever they do, they will ligate the superficial veins or great saphenous vein or short saphenous vein. They will ligate and they will remove the vein completely. So other than that, strip, we call it as stripping. They will ligate and they will strip the vein out. So they will make the vein non-useful so that the blood is not stagnated in it. But in homeopathy there is no need to do that. No, you can completely reverse the damaged valves in the initial stages. So compared to conventional treatment, then what is the homeopathic treatment in varicose veins? So you have to clearly understand that you should not be neglecting any signs in the initial stage. In initial stage you will not have pain, you will not have itching. There will be slight visuality of these superficial veins. When you come to a homeopathic doctor at that point in time, it is very easy to reverse these changes and also prevent you from going into the complication. There are very serious complications for varicose vein, like skin will be depigmented, you will have severe pain in the legs, or it will get ulcerated, it will get infected, cellulitis, or sometimes with the infection the leg has to be completely removed. When you come to homeopathy doctor in the initial stage itself, this can be completely reversed without landing into these complications. So we can completely cure in the initial stages, and we can prevent from further occurring or moving into the complications. And also, if you are already suffering from varicose veins for a long time, there are very good treatment in homeopathy. You can we can try to reverse. In all the cases, in advanced stages it is not possible, but in most of the cases we can try to reverse the changes, and all these will happen without side effects. So why homeopathy doesn't have side effects is, homeopathy, in homeopathy we give medicines in very small quantities. In allopathy or ayurveda you take, they will give medicines in grams or milligrams, but in homeopathic dilutions the medication which will be giving you only in picograms. Picograms is very small compared to milligrams. And also, these homeopathy medicines are made of nanotechnology, and these are nanoparticles. So we use the technique called succussion and trituration. With the trituration, every active ingredient will be coated with the lactose molecules. On top of it, by succussion and placing it in a silicon container, there will be a silicon coat around this molecule. So when these molecules or these nanoparticles are deployed into you for treatment of varicose veins, they will go and act only on the target. They will not be any off targeting. That is the reason you will not have side effects. There are the two reasons. One is we will give medicine in very small quantity, that is picograms, and we use nanotechnology or nanoparticles for treatment. There is no off targeting. For these two reasons you will not have any side effects in homeopathy. And what about its efficacy? How efficient are the homeopathic medicines? Homeopathic medicines works on the principle of hormesis. Hormesis principle says any substance in the world in higher quantities it will kill a biological activity. In medium quantities it inhibit a biological activity. In smaller quantities, as in this case of homeopathic nanoparticles, they will act as excellent medicine and very effective in preventing varicose veins, in curing varicose veins, and also in managing varicose veins in severe cases. So take homeopathy for management or prevention or curing varicose veins in any stage of the disease. And there is one more treatment we give in homeopathy that we call as constitutional treatment. Constitutional treatment is this is mainly due to genetic predisposition, right, or acquired. So any acquired or genetic predisposition you have for varicose veins, this can be corrected through your constitutional treatment. Constitutional treatment, we collect your physical symptoms, physiological symptoms, and psychological symptoms. We collect symptoms at all the three levels, and we individualize a medicine. That medicine will be prescribed based on the your mentality, that will be prescribed based on your physical structure and also functionality. When we consider all these three and give a medicine which is specifically tailored to you and given to you in the case of varicose veins, this will be completely cured, or it will be completely prevented from occurring again and again. In some cases, in very severe cases, we can palliate the disease even though the cure is not possible. So finally, homeopathy is safe, homeopathy is effective, and also homeopathy is very affordable. In case of varicose, patent right means homeopathic medicines doesn't have any patent rights. Any pharma company will not be having exclusive rights, that they can only prepare those medicines and they can only sell these medicines for the amount what they want. As there are no patent rights, every pharmaceutical company makes these medicines. There will be competition for pricing and the prices are lowered. It is exactly opposite to allopathic treatment. In allopathy, you will have patent rights. Only one, the pharmaceutical company who has done the research can sell it for the price they want for at least 8 to 9 years. That is not possible in homeopathy. That's the reason homeopathy is very affordable in case of varicose veins. Finally, homeopathy is safe, homeopathy is effective, homeopathy is affordable, and homeopathy can prevent, cure, and palliate your disease without any side effects. So use homeopathy, get benefited by homeopathy when you in any stage of varicose veins, either it is initial stage or in the middle of the disease, or in very severe cases, use homeopathy to get completely treated.